Second night I've dreamt about you, babe. I don't know how I should tell.
This is the Yamaha R15 version 2, one of the sweetest bike in its class. So sweet that you have to remind yourself that the engine is still on by revving it out. It's so quiet that you've got to keep the engine near the red line to feel like you're moving. Today though, we might find a way around this. Let's get started.
Shut all the world down, just you and me.
I'll do my best to show you everything in 2 minutes that actually took us an hour. First, we will be taking off what makes the bike so quiet and then replace it with suitable aftermarket parts. To get there, let's start by taking off the side plastics. Now we have access to the stock exhaust. The whole exhaust from the tape to the headers comes as a single unit. It also weighs a ton, so weight reduction might make us a bit quick as well. A stainless steel mid-pipe is going to replace the stock headers, and the Akrapovic end can will be installed onto it. Once the full exhaust is installed, we put back the plastics such that nothing ever happened.
Air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here giving me.
I take it for a spin to make sure everything feels solid and give it a final shakedown.
Give me life.
And here we have it, the Yamaha R15 that isn't quiet and doesn't need to be revved all the time to feel good.
All the world out, just you and me.
It also looks a lot better now, might need a tile tidy though. We shall now hear how that sounds. We will be hearing to the stock bike and full system exhaust with and without the DB killer. And now coming to the question we all have, are aftermarket exhausts street legal? Let's find out. Legal.
Legal, bro. Under 80 is legal. sounds so good, dude. It's so loud, and I'm not even trying. Holy shit. I kind of want this setup on my bike as well. And here I can't decide what sounds better, with the DB killer or without. I think without the DB killer sounds too good, but it's also too loud, so it will start buzzing in your ears after a while. So it's probably a good idea to keep the DB killer in, and that's what we are in right now. The DB killer is still in the bike, and I think this is all right. This is still loud enough, and I absolutely love this thing. I like it more as I ride it more. I think this exhaust was worth it. Would definitely ask you all to try this one out. Let's do some quick acceleration runs. So that is it for this vlog. There's a lot more videos coming out on this bike, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Baby, please don't leave.